भी है।
ओए निकलो निकलो।
In the state of Assam, India, the streets turned into rivers due to severe flooding caused by heavy rains, the government's Emergency Action Center said. The heavy rains that hit the state led to landslides and floods, interrupting communication with a number of settlements. So, communication with the resort town of Nainital, as well as with the cities of Kaladhandi, Haldwani and Bhavali, located in the foothills of the Himalayas, was completely interrupted. Indian meteorologists have warned of continued heavy downpours over the next few days and advised residents not to leave their homes for safety reasons. Earlier, the head of state Pushkar Singh Dhami said that the state authorities will pay compensation to families in the amount of 400,000 rupees, $3,000. Those who lost their homes will be given 190,000 rupees, $5,000.